Hello students, now we will see another interconversion. We have to convert benzyl alcohol to 2-phenyl ethanoic acid. Okay, so first we will draw the structures of the starting reactant and the structure of the end product. So let us draw the structure of the starting reactant, benzyl alcohol. So this is your benzyl alcohol. Benzene with CH2 is called benzyl. Benzene with CH2 is called benzyl. And OH group is called alcoholic group. So benzyl alcohol. Now we have to draw 2-phenyl ethanoic acid. Now ethanoic acid, you know it very well. CH3COOH. That is your ethanoic acid. CH3COOH. But it is saying that at 2 position a phenyl group is there. At 2 position a phenyl group is there. Obviously COOH, carboxylic acid group carbon will get 1 position. So this is 2 position. So here there will be a phenyl group. Okay, or a benzene group. Now obviously we have to show the tetravalency of carbon. So I will remove 1 hydrogen from here. So it will be benzene CH2 COOH. Okay, benzene CH2 COOH. So this is our 2-phenyl ethanoic acid. 2-phenyl ethanoic acid. Okay, so this is our benzyl alcohol starting reactant, and we have to convert, reach here, phenyl at or benzene at 2 position, 2-phenyl ethanoic acid. Okay, this is the product we have to reach. So what we will do, first step is we will provide SOCl to thionyl chloride in presence of solvent pyridine. Heat, you will get CH2Cl, benzyl chloride. Okay, next we provide what? We provide KCN in presence of a solvent, C2H5OH and H2O mixture. KCN in presence of C2H5OH and H2O. What will happen? There will be nucleophilic substitution. There will be nucleophilic substitution. Chlorine will be replaced by cyanide. Chlorine will be replaced by cyanide. Okay, we replaced it. Now there is a particular reaction in which cyanide can be hydrolyzed to carboxylic acid. There is a particular reaction where cyanide can be hydrolyzed into carboxylic acid. So when you provide any cyanide with H plus H2O, hydrolysis in presence of acid, hydrolysis in presence of acid, that is called acid hydrolysis. Any cyanide group, when you acid hydrolyze it, means you provide small amount of concentrated acid in presence of water. Small amount of concentrated acid in presence of water, that is called acid hydrolysis. The cyanide group will be converted into carboxylic group. The cyanide group will be converted into carboxylic group. Okay, so in 2-3 steps the reaction is completed. 3 steps the reaction is completed. So first we did the benzyl alcohol, we converted into benzyl chloride by providing SOCl to thionyl chloride in presence of pyridine and heat. Then you provide potassium cyanide KCN in presence of C2H5OH plus H2O. You will get, instead of chlorine, a cyanide group will be introduced. Okay, and this group is also called benzyl cyanide. Let me tell you, this group is called benzyl cyanide. Benzene with CH2CN is called benzyl cyanide. Then when we provide benzyl chloride with KCN, C2H5OH and H2O In presence of chlorine, we will get cyanide group. This is a nucleophilic substitution. Okay. Then we got benzyl cyanide. Now we provide H plus with H2O. Okay. Acid hydrolysis. Cyanide is converted into COH. And finally we reach the destination. So this is how the conversion has to be carried out. Thank you all.